Hey guys, this is Arez Hassan from Team AA, and today we are going to unbox the new BM800 condenser microphone. This mic is a really great microphone when it comes to voiceovers and commentaries. This can also be used to sing vocals. So here is the specification you can see on the box right now. The frequency response is from 20 Hz to 20 kHz, noise level of 14 decibels. It can be directly plugged into the computer, and it contains a USB sound card to connect. We are using the gold and black color right now. So in the box you cannot see any kind of mic diagram. Let's unbox it. So here we go. Here we can open the microphone, and when you open it, it's really smooth to open. There is no layering or no seals whatsoever. Here you can see we got a pop filter with it. It's a spongy little foam, which is great when it's come to de-essing the sound, the voice of S's. It's really soft right now. The next thing we get there is the microphone, of course, but we're not gonna open it. We're gonna open the boom arm stand holder first. So this is the arm stand that you can use on your boom arm stand. It will hold your mic really quick and good. It can hold up to 2 kgs. According to the rating, the microphone is less than 2 kgs. It is like 1 kilogram or less. So here we go with the XLR to 3.5 millimeter cable. We will put that on the side. You can see first high grade low noise microphone cable. We will see it how it works later. Let's check the microphone out there. And here is the microphone. That looks almost premium and a really good finish right there. You can see the microphone itself, it's golden color and it looks premium as hell. You can see the XLR cable you can connect right there. Really a great microphone. It's like 1 kg or maybe less. Premium finish, and the build quality is really nice. I like the colors and the build quality is perfect for this kind of microphone. So let's set the microphone and we will be testing out how it works and how does the sounds when it is connected to the external sound card. We don't have any phantom power right now, so I'm setting the microphone with my boom arm stand. There you go. The sound you're hearing right now is out of from BM800 with an external sound card connected to it. We are using a noise profile this time. So guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel Team AA if you're new. And we will keep bringing these gadgets videos and unboxing of different mobile phones, keyboards, mouses, computers and everything related to tech. Thank you.